Hey guys, so we have a roof wrapping here right now that we're gonna bust out. So first step is taking alcohol and cleaning the surface, get it nice and prepped, and then go to the next step. So first step's cleaning. So what I'm gonna use is the hard card. This seal up front is pretty soft, it's not too hard. So the hard card will get in underneath of it. So we'll just get alcohol in there and just clean the edges and the seals just to make sure all the dirt's nice and clean. So step 2 is clay bars. So we have a detailer here. You can use soap and water, but we like to use detailers. Nice and smooth for the surface, makes the clay bar slide across the surface. But we're gonna go through and make sure all the hard contaminants are off and just make sure it's prepped ready to go. So we went around and taped up all the edges just to make sure that the material doesn't stick to the seals, and then we can tuck the vinyl a lot easier. So that's one special way of making sure it's easier for us to wrap on the long run. So the last step is cut your material, which we missed that step, so oh well. But then clay bar right before you wrap.
That's a tack loss.
Tack loss, sorry. Start from the center and work our way out, to get to the edges, so then we can tuck all the edges down. So we just finished the roof wrap on this Evo 8. It's nice and glossy black. We're gonna go back through and just take a torch to it real quick, just to make sure it's nice and sealed. We didn't have any extra bubbles leak out, but everything's tucked up and ready to go out the door. So hopefully the customer's happy.